Hey guys, David Peterson, publicdomainphotography.com. I'm going to look at our alien spaceship collection that we've recently released. Alien spaceship collection consists of a number of different spaceships, different styles, different choices. Now, the big question, do we believe in aliens at publicdomainphotography.com? Answer is absolutely yes. The universe cannot be the size it is and we be the only life in the universe. It's a statistical improbability. That being said, the Earth is precious and we need to look after it, we need to work together, and our next step in our evolution, in my opinion, is get back to the moon and then get to Mars. Now, as far as aliens visiting Earth, I don't know enough about that to make an informed opinion. However, I do understand mathematics, and mathematically it's a great improbability that we are the only life in the universe. Alright guys, look forward to seeing you at publicdomainphotography.com.